I just want to show you these beautiful peonies. Look at the colour of them. I'll go right up close. Amazing. They're not out for very long, so gorgeous they are. Hi YouTube, I've just been in to get myself a cup of tea, and I've been out in the garden all day today doing bits and pieces. Oh, the dog won't leave the hens alone. Come on, leave. So you can see him there venturing out a little bit now. Riley, no, come on, come on. Anyway, I'll just show you a little bit of what I've been doing. I've made these a bit better on here because they were still, you know, something chewing all the vegetables, which I was annoyed about a bit. But over in here, got my beans just coming up. So that's good. I put some cabbages in here, but I've put this little net over the top just for now because I haven't made enough of those covers yet. And this is the other thing I've been doing today. I did a trench all the way along there. So I'm going to put the squash and grow them down this bank. So I put a load of straw and stuff. There is this weed suppressant underneath, but next year, or after the winter, I'll take it up and just keep it natural, you know, but keep adding waste matter to it and hay and make it a no dig, but it's hard at the moment because the grass is growing so much, so quickly. Look at him creeping out into that donkey field. There, have you? Come on, in, quick. Come on. Good boy. So it's about 7:30 at night now, and it stays light till about 10 o'clock. And so what I've been doing is a bit of this under here. Such a mess. There's all this that I've cut down, so I'm putting that through the shredder. But also there's quite a lot of branches that need coming off and sorting out. But I'm getting there. What I'm going to do with those branches that I cut off down there, I'm going to save them and make that the gourd frame out of any branches that I save. Look up there, there's quite a few lower ones. That would be ideal. And as you can see, like all the way around, this is tree lined, so there's no shortage of branches or anything. So yeah, so all the little trimmings and bits I should put down those pathways in between the beds. I've been putting a bit of cardboard, and what I want to do is in between the gaps put a piece of wood so it keeps all the suppressant stuff that I put in there inside that little part, really, and then it'll save me strimming it all. I've still got that bed down there with the blue poles that I'm going to put all the little baby strawberry plants in that one, but of course I've still got some more earth to put in there, but that doesn't take long. So the donkeys are over there, they're looking at something, I don't know what it is. Usually that means there's something around. There is some cows in that field over there, so maybe that. I don't know about you, but this is my favourite time of the night in the garden. You can still hear the birds. It's peaceful. The weather's nice. And I just love it, really. So many jobs to do, but do a bit at a time, bit and often, and you get there in the end, don't you? Anyway, you take care, YouTube. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.